Hello kids, welcome back to English class. Today we are going to study a new chapter. Chapter 8, A Puppy's Song. A Puppy's Song. Do you like puppies? Do you have puppies in your home? Some of you have puppies as your pets, isn't it? So today we are going to discuss about a puppy. A puppy's song. Puppy means, puppy is the young one of a dog. Young one of a dog is called a puppy. Okay. So, chapter 8, A Puppy's Song. Here we have the puppy. But listen, the puppy is now become a dog. Now it is a dog. And he is saying something, some incident when he was a puppy. Okay, so listen. When I was just a puppy small, I played with a rubber ball that rolled upon the floor. So look here, this is our dog. He is telling about a doll that he was played when he was a puppy. So when I was just a puppy small, when I was a small puppy, I played with a rubber ball. When I was a small puppy, he liked to play with a rubber ball. I played with a rubber ball. The puppy played with a rubber ball that rolled upon the floor. Rolled means when he was a puppy, he liked to play with a ball and the ball rolled upon the floor. തറയിൽ കൂടി ഉരുണ്ട് നടന്ന് കളിക്കുമായിരുന്നു ball. He liked to play with that ball when he was a puppy. Then what happened one day? One day I tapped it with my paw and pierced the rubber with my claw. Now it does not roll anymore. What happened? One day I tapped it with my paw. What do you mean by tap? Tap means hit something softly. Tap means hit something softly. One day I tapped it with my paw. One day what happened? When the puppy tapped the ball with his paw. What do you mean by paw? Paw means P-A-W. Paw. Paw means the foot of an animal. It is called paw. Paw means foot of an animal. One day I tapped it with my paw. Tap it. It means tap the ball. One day I tapped the ball with my paw. ഒരു ദിവസം പപ്പി അവൻ്റെ കാല് കൊണ്ട് ബോളിൽ ഹിറ്റ് ചെയ്തപ്പോൾ what happened? And pierced the rubber with my claw. What happened to the rubber ball? And pierced the rubber. Pierce means make a hole in something. Pierce means make a hole in something. One day the puppy, when he was playing with the ball, he liked to play with the ball. And what happened? When he was playing with the ball, he tapped the ball with his paw. Then what happened? And pierced the rubber with my claw. Claw means nail. Claw means the puppy's nail. Puppyയുടെ nail കൊണ്ട് what happened to the rubber ball? It pierced the rubber. Pierce means make a hole in something. Rubber ballil ഒരു hole വന്നു. Then what happened? Now it does not roll anymore. Look here. Here the rubber ball is pierced with the puppy's claw. Then what happened? Now it does not roll anymore. What happened? Now the ball, it does not roll anymore. Because of the hole, the ball cannot roll. Because of that hole, the ball cannot roll. What happened to the ball? The ball, the puppy, one day he tapped it his paw, then the ball pierced with his claw. The ball pierced with his claw. Okay. So once again, a puppy's song. When I was just a puppy small, I played with a rubber ball that rolled upon the floor. One day, I tapped it with my paw and pierced the rubber with my claw. Now it does not roll anymore. Okay, clear? So, do you like the puppy? Is it naughty? Yeah. So, he liked to play with a what ball? Is it plastic or rubber? The puppy liked to play with a rubber ball. One day what happened? When he tapped it with his paw, the rubber ball pierced. And what happened? It cannot roll. Okay. So here are the new words. Rubber. What is the spelling of rubber? R-U-B-B-E-R. Rubber. The next one, tap. Hit something softly. So what is the meaning of tap? Hit something softly. Tap spelling T-A-P-P-E-D. Tapped. Hit something softly. The next word, pierced. Made a hole in something. Pierce spelling P-I-E-R-C-E-D. Pierce. Make a hole in something. The next one, paw. P-A-W. Paw. Foot of an animal. P-A-W. Paw. Foot of an animal. So these are the new words. Write and study the spellings and meanings. Then your homework. Write and study the new words in your notebook. Write cursive writing book, page number 16 and 17. Okay. So read the poem 5 times and study the spellings of the new words. Okay. We will meet in the next class. Thank you.